at that, their father. All right, you're still on the matter of street towns of Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, I did from Yam store. This place now Brown Road where they say they share yam and any kind of yam. Mama, which kind of yam they say? Yeah, still on the matter, street towns. Our father. Correct. Madam, thank God say now you first meeting me now. The question when I want to ask you now, they say. The question I want to ask you now, Madam, allow me. This laugh that they affect my life. The question when I want to ask you now, be say, if just your husband just enter house, you check in pocket, you can see condom. As you see the condom, and one of the condom, they don't use one. Come on for inside. So waiting, go do your mind.
You don't go pokroda.
Don't go pokroda.
Yes, now I won't keep myself. You go vex, you go bone.
What if you can tell you say, man, that one, he's saying just keep the condom for you and her.
Nah, we dey use condom. We dey use condom now. Now we dey use condom before now. You know, say Nigerian men, now patient, they live with them. If you want to make your marriage last, now patient. Yes, now patient. Now patient now. Every patient.
You say your husband they lick plate fast.
Nigerian man.
All right, still on the matter, straight down on Wazobia TV. If they watch me live, quick. Still on the matter. All right, I just use that one to do intro for my show now. And you know as they go now. Straight times on Wazobia TV channel 195. If you enter a house and your wife see condom for your pocket as a man, and one of the condom you don't use her, you can tell her and say, man, you keep this condom for her. What's it go Wait. All right, they don't run for this market. Bros, how far now you there? Madam, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. I like your seriousness. Now your seriousness will make come meet you. How far you go there? You know what talk? All right, she not matter. She not doing the motor talk. She not doing the motor talk. Madam, why you dey wrong? I just simple question. Madam, come. Make her ask you, come. You know what I be? Mama, good afternoon. Bros, if you talk, come out.
Good afternoon.
Confirm guy. As you do like this, you just enter house. Your wife enter house. Now you check her bag. You see condom for inside her bag. As you see the condom for her bag, you see and see they don't use one out of your condom. And she tell you, say, this condom will break one. Now for you, say, make you and her easier. What you go do?
No be me use am.
No be use.
Okay. She go tell me who use am. Now she keep am. She go tell me who use am.
The whether na friend give and keep.
No, I never reach like that. Na friend go give and keep. Which kind of friend will go give and condom keep?
Some friends they say, let me hold this thing.
I got no go carry fish, give her and say make you hold am. Now the thing where they.
Yes. All right, so the matter of straight chance of Wazobia TV. Madam, hear the question.
Oh, Wazobia. Where you?
Madam, they make no sense.
I beg, wait now.
Madam, you see what you happen. Okay, sorry. You see what you happen. If your husband just enter us, you can't see condom for her pocket, for your husband pocket, and inside the condom they don't use one commode. And he can't tell you say na you and I won't use them. What you go do?
Nah, me and him won't use the remaining one way there. I will go use and nothing there then.
But what of the remaining one? The one they use?
Nah, you know, say for this Niger na man's word na.
Na man's word. So he believes in a man's word.
Na man's word for Niger.
So your husband fit play with man's word.
If you want play, make it play now. The thing be say if you come back now, me get am.
So you dey distribute your husband local
government? No, beside they distribute am, but I trust and say you no fit misbehave una you know, but anyhow, sha.
Mama, not true.
Not true. Na so the man they do. If they outside, but I don't come na my home. But I do outside na general.
So if you see that condom, you know first.
What I go first for? What I go first for?
So no try get BP small.
Go for big party. Go for me.
One mama say go first. Yeah, wait. Mama, you say what you? Go first.
I go first.
Why you go first?
Why I no go first? I go first because it's not supposed to be like that. Yes. It's not supposed to be like that. If you see me, tell you no go first.
What of you, madam?
I go verse. So.
Why you go verse?
Choose I go verse. As a woman being, now you go verse.
Why you go verse?
You will ask more questions before you go, your mind will go down. Why?
All right, still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. Condom inside your spice pocket or your wife or your husband pocket. One, don't go. I the be. If not you, how you go react? And he tell you saying keep on for Namona user. I go be. Still on the matter. How you did? Okay, how now?
What is the name? What is the name?
I'm going to ask you what your name.
I will see.
You don't get manner.
I get manner. I get you say you get manner. I will ask you.
All right. Okay, my name is Shaggy.
Okay, my name is Ike.
Ike.
Yeah.
Okay, Ike. If you enter us now, you keep condom for pocket. Or your wife keep condom for your bag. You don't see condom for your bag. Come see the bag. Come see condom inside the bag. Come see and say they don't use one. And she tell you, say, that one went in the bag. Now you and I go use them. I go be.
Yeah, it's nothing because the marriage is anchored by God. So definitely, there's nothing I can do about it. Down.
So you can live it like that.
You live it like that.
Because
what God has joined together is no man to push another.
Even condom, she don't push herself.
No for condom to push another.
What if she don't use them? She don't use the condom.
As long as I did not see, it can be set up.
Yeah,
it can be set up. It can be a setup. As long as I did not catch her, so there is no proof on it.
Okay. Now one thing, they like men like this. Men like this, they like listening to gossip outside. People like this, now they make their marriage a last. You sure say your marriage day okay? You sure say they fight with your wife?
I don't fight with her.
You sure?
I'm the most happiest person. I married the most beautiful woman.
The most beautiful woman. That's how they talk. That's how they talk. You know, say some men they marry character. Some go marry character, then they leave choice for outside. They go also choice. All right, still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. If they watch me live, make it there. Alpha, bros, Alpha, how you doing? Wazobia TV. Madam, you go fit talk so Wazobia TV.
Good day, sir.
Well done. This one you put hand for joy. So why you think?
Do they think about anything? They watch season 4.
Okay, watch season 4. Madam, are your husband with this?
No.
Why they shout no?
No, he's my friend now.
I go allow your friends sit down near you and your
he's my neighbor now.
Oh, now your neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
How you allow your neighbor give you shop go sit down near you? All right, see what I want to ask. As you dey like this, if your husband enter house and you just see condom for her pocket, for your husband pocket, I never ask the question if you don't change that. If you just see condom for your pocket and they don't use one, what you go do?
I won't do anything. I will not do anything. I have to ask him.
Yeah, you ask him.
Where do you see the... No. He can't even do it. He can't even do it. No, he can't do it.
Nah, joke, they not go take him serious.
Yeah, I know.
When you go reach out, got to go check your husband.
No. He can't do it.
He can't do it.
Yes.
You sure? You trust your husband?
I trust him.
You trust your husband?
Yes.
I know your husband.
When do you know him?
I know your husband. That your guy.
Where?
All right, still on the Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Bake it. Oh, shake, bake it. All right. Madam, how far are you there? How you there? Wazobia TV.
I'm fine. Good.
You don't marry?
No.
If you don't marry, if you're your guy, you got a guy, abi?
Yes.
One guy in the wrong things, abi?
I get my fiancé.
You get your fiancé?
Yeah.
Okay, the fiancé. She's in her fiancé?
Yes.
Or you just connect? Now you're ATM, abi?
No, my fiancé.
Your fiancé?
Yes.
See the question I want to ask. If your fiancé enters and you see condom for your pocket, and the condom, they don't use one, come out. And he tell you, saying, in this condom, me buy it for you, and they don't use one, come out. What you go do?
Nothing now. I no go do anything now.
And you don't see one?
Nah.
They use one, no?
Yeah.
What you go do?
I no go do anything. I go kill him. I no go kill him now. Na man him be now.
What you be all this matter of man? Is they pure me man the waka? You know they pure now? Short, I don't like this one, I beg. Oh, yeah, no, clear. Man, everything, a man what? Wazobia. How far now, madam?
No.
May I ask you one question?
Okay,
madam, as you dey like this, your husband enters. Now you see condom for your pocket. As you see the condom, and they don't use one come out for inside the condom. What you go do?
What I will do? I go talk and I go shout. Where you go?
Where you go? Where you go? Who you carry?
Who you carry?
You never show me how you go take shout and demonstrate.
Where you go? Where you go? Carry condom?
I don't know. This guy go carry condom for pocket. So now standby machine.
I dey tell you, anytime, anywhere, e dey my pocket in case of incasity.
In case of incasity.
Yes.
Now your wife dey here.
No be my wife. I never marry.
So they talk that kind for front of your wife.
I never marry. I get friend. I still get.
All right, madam, how far now? If we talk to you. Yes. Correct, mama. Now you are the wait for sis.
Now go give me money.
Over gadget, they worry you gadget die. You gadget die. Madam, make I ask you one question. You don't marry, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, yes, yeah. How many you don't born? 4?
4, exactly.
Exactly. I didn't see where. You know, besides I work with TB
You're
Joshua.
visionist.
No, I don't work with TB Joshua.
Why?
Oh, but see what he did there. Madam, may I ask you, if your husband just enter house, as he enter house, you can't see, you can't check your pocket, you can't see condom for your pocket, and they don't use one. And they can't tell you, say this condom, they keep on for you, and what you go do?
You don't use one.
Yeah.
I go ask her, what you use that one do?
You know whether it's until blow.
I go ask her more. I go no sure. Why? What you use and do?
What if you can't
I be don't do a well match.
But they say a man's word, they fit do anything now.
Why? Woman enko.
Woman. So if man do, you say we go do.
No, we not do, but at least they don't supposed to do.
They're not supposed to. So if now you know what you go do now.
I go verse.
You go verse. You go punch am.
I go verse where we say.
You go blow your eye.
I no go blow your ass.
Okay, just imagine.
I go pity am sure.
Imagine saying na me. How you go react?
I go hit you.
I go hit me.
I go beat you. I go hold this here dada first.
You go first.
Come out am.
All right, still on the matters, returns on Wazobia TV for the watch me live here. Without they go is coming, without they go is a man. Without they go is a Tonisha now. All right, you can hear that national language there. Madam, good afternoon. We fit talk, madam. Camera, she speak. Hello, madam. Madam, hello. Oh yeah, get up now. I'm tired, I'm sleeping. I know you're tired. That's why I came to disturb you.
I won't do anything. I will only talk to him that. He shouldn't even allow me to see it now.
You shouldn't allow you to see. But what mistakes you can see him?
See him. Maybe I will ask him. How come now he will explain?
You're not going to explain well.
You not explain well. I shouldn't allow you to bring problem now.
You shouldn't allow you to bring problem.
No.
All right, just still the matter street and I wait I want you be that and I don't cash on. Pick it. And I don't cash on. Pick it. Madam, good afternoon. Wazobia TV.
Oh.
Not wrong, no. Not wrong. I don't cash you.
What's happening?
Now collect money, so Abi.
No, I give food.
Okay, they give food. No one she get confident. All right, still on the matter street and so they supply food for the market. Yeah.
Yes.
Which kind of food?
Swallow.
Swallow, Abi. Now you do for Abuja market here. Nice one. What will be the name of your this thing? No, not advertise this one.
Oh, okay.
What will be the name of it?
My restaurant and food bank.
Food bank, Abi. So your restaurant and food bank. Food bank. All right, so the matter. If you come now, your husband just come from somewhere and you check your pocket, you can't see condom. You see condom. Because I see they don't use one of the condom. What you go do?
Go ask them now. I no go talk because I know say that for my own safety.
For your own safety. They don't use one come out for inside.
And I know say I ain't go use them. Nobody say they go tell me.
Okay. You use them for your own safety.
You use them making no carry another thing give me for house.
Madam, give me a high five.
That's all now.
Oh boy, this is the best. The woman I don't interview today. When give me better answer. You know go verse so.
What I want talk? I don't go vest now.
Yeah.
Because na man now, body no be firewood. I ain't go outside go do this, but my own be say making. I know say if you don't come off house, na another person property. But if you don't come, na my property.
Your property.
So making go use and making no carry another. See why I go to search for outside.
This man you just spoil. All right, still on the matter, straight chance. Becky. How far now, madam? Not gossip. You do the gossip.
I beg, come on. So what you carry for back?
See what I carry for back. All right, still on the matter. Madam, you don't marry?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure you don't marry?
With 4 kids.
4 kids?
Yes.
4 kids?
Yes.
Hey, you the vessel. How old they take you know each other?
One is 8 years, the second one is 4 years, the third one is going to 2 years.
2 years. That means 2 years now. That 4.
8 years, 4 years, and 2 years.
Gap. 2 years gap. Another 2
And
years.
the last one is 6 months.
6 months. Wow.
Yes.
Congrats. Give me a high
Thank you.
five. It's too much. Madam, if you enter house and your husband enter house, now you come back from somewhere, your husband come back from somewhere, you can see.
It's not who watch it that day.
You can see condom for your husband pocket. And they don't use one come out. What you go do?
I don't do anything because he's a man of the house.
So you can
Yes.
do as you like. So your husband a national cake.
I don't know.
So your husband a national cake.
I don't know.
Madam, your husband a national cake.
It's not a national cake.
If now you, what you go do? You see condom for your pocket.
If I see condom in my pocket, he's the man of the house. If I ask him how come about, it might be mistakenly.
Mistakenly.
If he says it's a
Mistakenly,
mistake,
and they don't use one for inside.
he might not be the one.
If they don't use one, what?
It doesn't mean anything. He's a man.
All these women, when I meet you, all of them soft too. So you no go react, no go blow the man. No go say, yeah.
And if I come out, another person go enter. Yes.
If you come out, another person go enter.
You don't know.
Wait. When are they here? So wait, you don't want to lose your husband.
I will lose him.
Now you say husband scarce, so.
You know scarce.
So we too scarce, Abi. Yeah, father, we too scarce. Una know they make your girl for us, not try me. We not too much. We too much. Hey, na bomba carry. Man, we too much. Una.
Say you go pay me my money back.
No, say nowadays na fake bonbon.
Na fake bonbon? Why you carry fake bonbon?
Now so now wetin dey reign now? Wetin you know say men, some men they like big things like that. They like big things like that. So some girls nowadays they wear them. Why they don't wear them? But if you want no real one, carry nindo. When you don't follow the gist, just check am. Na lie. All right, still on the matter, street chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, my name is MC Shaggy. Beke there. I did for Aguda Market now. Still on the matter. You hear what they talk for back? Shake it. All right, still on the matter, street chance. How are you? Where's mommy? All right. No, I'm coming. All right, I'm coming. All right, thank you very much. That guy carry hawk. How are you? Now what you will see for Rodo? Let her go. Yeah, this is my bro, one of my men. Yeah, steady anytime when I get small, be ready change to change. I come here, I change. Yeah. You dey use condom?
Yeah, yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
But you dey carry women?
No.
I hear say outside will not get their own condom size.
No, I have wife. I get my own wife.
Okay, you get your own wife, Abi. All right, no wahala. Let's shake it. Still on the matter. Bake it. Oh, bake.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.